Matagal ko na rin siyang minamanifest na makakollaborate.
This is my first paid collaboration this year.
Hi guys! I received my first PR for January and I'm so excited to try this kasi matagal ko na rin siyang minamanifest na makuha or makakollaborate. And they emailed me, respond to their email, and I got it. This is from Some By Me Philippines. Some By Me is a Korean skincare line and marami ring mga K-pops na gumagamit nito, and nakikita ko rin to sa mga kapwa ko, affiliates and influencer, and gusto ko rin talaga tong itry and gusto ko rin talaga silang makakollaborate, and finally nag-collaborate na kami and I'm so happy. Ito yung pinakaunang PR this month and bigatin pa siyang brand. So this is Some By Me Retinol Intense Reactivating Serum. So ayun, it's time for me to use retinol. So ito yung retinol, diba? Bolahe! Then ito naman is retinol bakutsol cream. Ito serum, ito cream. So after mo mag-serum, mag-cream ka para hindi masyadong ma-irritate yung skin mo. And then ito na yung cream and retinol. I'm so happy! Thank you so much, Some By Me Philippines. Hi, good morning! So kahapon may na-receive tayong package. It's ito. It's from Bareface PH. This is my great collaboration with Bareface. So let's unbox it. I got their new release na sunscreens. Ito yung bago nilang sunscreen with AC. If nakikita nyo yun. Ito yung Keep It Matte na 100% mineral sunscreen and Keep It Matte 100% mineral tinted sunscreen. So ito tinted, ito yung hindi tinted. I'm so excited to try this kasi ang ganda talaga ng mga sunscreen ng Bareface. Actually, nagustuhan ko yung binigay nilang una sa akin. And it really works for me. Kaya I really hope these sunscreens will work for me as well. Kasi wala, ang ganda, ang holy grail lang talaga ng sunscreen ng Bareface. So if you guys are wondering or thinking what sunscreens na gusto nyo i-try or gamitin, you might consider buying Bareface sunscreen kasi this is not a joke, really no joke. Maganda talaga yung sunscreen ng Bareface. So ayun, I'm so excited. You might baka in the next few days or few weeks na-upload ko na yung review nito dito sa YouTube. But for sure, pag na-upload ko tong unboxing my PR package for January, na-upload ko na ito sa TikTok. So yun pa rin yung unang thing. Pero anyways, maganda talaga siya. So go or check out na kayo. Pero sa showcase ko. Hi guys! So while waiting sa pinapakulo ko, mainit na tubig. Buksan na muna natin ito. Pumatay na daw ang PR. Sorry kung medyo magulo yung buhat. Ang hirap pala pag-closing, pag-busy season. Pero okay lang, kaya pa naman. So, nakuha ako ng this is from Skin Ever. Pinadala nila yung Skin Ever Vitamin C Brightening Tone Up Cream and salicylic acid. Sa atin, ito talaga yung winning product ko. So, hopefully winning product ulit pa ngayon. Hi, so thank you, Skin Ever!
Hi guys, it's Saturday and buksan na natin itong package na lumating last Wednesday. So ngayon ko pa lang siya bubuksan kasi ngayon lang ako nagka-time. Busy season, ang daming ginagawa. Buksan ko lang to. I got the receipt. This is from Slot. And I'm so happy kasi this is my first paid collaboration this year and I hope madami pa this year. So I'm so happy. So this is your rice jam mask. So ang laki. So ito siya guys. review about this. Gusto ko pa naman yung mga Korean skincare products kasi they really work on my face. Look at that. Nawala na yung mga pimples ko. Meron pa pero pabawas na sila. So, target na skin problem is yung mga blemishes and acne marks. And may kasama pala siyang spatula. Yay! Manifesting for more. And guys, dumating na rin pala yung package ko from Coloret because I won their giveaway. Ito yung package from Coloret. So, hindi ko alam kung ngayon ko nabubuksan or pag maayos na yung mukha ko kasi hindi pa ako nalilito.
Hi, we have another package. So, dumating to isang araw pero sa Bicol bago magbag yung Arda. Tapos ayun, pina-LBC nilang ng ate ko. Nag-email ako sa brand kaso wala silang reply. So, ibig sabihin na hindi ako. So, ayun. Ang dami ko ng penty. This is the Standard Soul Firming Tone. Kung alam niyo yung product na palaging ini-endorse. Taste like full god. This is it. Ooh. Okay. Skin doll. Yung meron nakuha ko yung Janela bundle. Pinadala nila tayo ng Janela bundle. The face wash, the serum, and the moisturizer. Alam ko nakita nyo na to sa previous unboxing ko. Kasi kasama ako sa December campaign. Tapos ngayon kasama ulit ako sa January campaign. Yung pinadala nila sa akin una, yung maliit lang na face wash. Ngayon malaki na. Oh my God. Alam niyo ba yung ginugol ko is makakulab ko yung mga brands na papadalhan ako ng mga face wash, mga cleanser, mga sabon, mga body soap, tapos toner. And so far okay naman siya kasi parang nakukuha ko naman yung mga kailangan ko. Yes, moisturizer again. And the serum. Alam mo, maganda yung product ng Skin Doll. Swear, you should try it. Yay! Tingnan nyo yung mga reviews ko sa TikTok. Thanks! Thank you, Skin Doll! Guys, we made it to Maybelline.